Welcome to the course on Solidworks 2016. In this video, we will know about content of this course in Solidworks. Basically, the content can be divided into 6 chapters. These chapters are sketches, then 3D modeling, then surface modeling, assembly, drafting, and sheet metal. First chapter will start with sketch 2D modeling. In this chapter, we will know about how to draw sketches, lines, curves, and we have different relations between those lines, adding dimensions, adding relations between those lines, and geometric constraints and relations. After we finish the sketches, we will go to 3D modeling and we will convert those sketches into a 3D model. In 3D modeling, we have some commands such as extrude, revolve, swept, loft, etc. Also in the 3D modeling, we have 3D editing tools. Tools such as creating the pattern, creating hole, removing the material from a solid feature. After completing the sketch 2D and 3D modeling, we will make some models for the practice. We have given 9 models. You can access all the models and we will know how to learn different commands in different situations. After the 3D modeling, we have advanced surfacing modeling. In 3D modeling, we cannot create a complex surface or complex curve. To make a complex surface, we have to go to advanced surface modeling. In surface modeling, we have commands such as extruded surface, revolved surface, and then ruled surface, planar surface, etc. We have also created a model in surface modeling for practice. After surfacing, we have assembly. The parts we create in 3D modeling are separate parts or individual parts, but to achieve some useful work from them, we have to assemble those parts. We will go to assembly mode and we will apply some constraint or mates to the motion of those parts and we will assemble them. After assembly, we will make drawing of the part. The advantage of making the drawing is that if we want to show the part on a 2D plane paper, we cannot directly show it. So we make different views of the part such as top view, side view, front view, etc. and also show the exact dimension of that part in drawing and drafting. In the end, we have sheet metal modeling. In sheet metal modeling, we create sheet of a part. As we know, sheet is a metal of thickness up to 6 mm. So we will add different operations in sheet metal such as making flanges, making edge flange, miter flange, then adding jog, then ribs corner, forming tool, etc. So that is all about the course on SolidWorks 2016.